Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use su command on Linux. So at the beginning we will go into terminal. And what is a su command? Su command basically allows you to switch users. Basically su stands for switch user, so you can switch user with this command. And maybe at the beginning I will create one more user because I think I have only one, so I will add user. It will be really quickly, so user, for example, or test user. If you don't know how to create users, you can watch my video. I showed in this video how to create users in two ways. This one is pretty simple, so as you can see, it is working. Basically, you have to type in sudo adduser, test user, and type in your password, and you can skip this part. But if you want to learn it in a more slower and more, I think, easier way, where I described you how to do it, you can go to the video when I showed you how to add user on Linux. But right now we can clear that, and we can use our su command. Su, and right now we have to type in the user that we want to switch to. So test user, this is the user that I created before. As you can see, we have to type in the password to this user, like this, and as you can see, it is working. We switched from the Ubuntu user to our test user. Of course, we can go back, so I will go back to my main account, su Ubuntu, and I will press type in my password. As you can see, it is working. So now, you can switch to the root account by using this command. You can just do something like this, su and minus. It will switch you to the root account, but you have to remember that root account on Ubuntu, I don't know how does it work on the different distributions, but on Ubuntu it doesn't have a password that is set by default. You have to set it on your own. So to have a password, you have to set it on your own. I set it on my own before the video. Basically, you have to do something like this: sudo passwd and root, and you have to type in the password. But for me, it is working. As you can see, I'm on the root account. Root account is, I think, pretty comfortable because you don't have to use sudo every time. And it's very important to say that su and sudo are a different command, because sudo basically stands for switching users, and su stands for switching users, and sudo stands for superuser-do, and this basically allows you to run a single command with elevated privileges that requires basically administration permissions. So we can go back from it. You can do it on by basically in the two ways. So you can type in exit, it will log out you, or we can log in again. You can basically do something like with the same thing that we did before. So su and Ubuntu, like this. And as you can see, it is also working, but we are in the root directory. We can go back to the home directory like this, and everything is working fine. So this is how you can use su command on Linux. I think this is really helpful if you have a lot of users on your computer. And that's all. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.